Good morning to all of you. Welcome back again in online class. This is your computer class of chapter 1 part 11. Okay, all the points are completed of chapter 1. So this is the last video of chapter 1 in which we discuss about your doubt. So open your page 8. Got it? In the previous part, we discussed about the difference between the primary and secondary memory. After that, on that page number 8 of exercise are given that process it in which the two questions B and C. Okay, so I hope you all solve this question. It is very easy question. If we want to save our data from a computer to a device and carry it in a bag, then which storage device will we use and why? Got it? If you want to store some type of data, what type of data doesn't matter. Which secondary device we used, which can you use to store data and also carry from one place to another place in a bag. So write the name of the secondary memory and also give the reason. If you any doubt in this question, so write your answer in the comment box. Okay, I explain the answer in the comment box when you solve this question, and also question number C, give the full form of each of the following, that means the full form of CD, CPU, RAM, ROM and DVD, which given in your book, and also discuss each and every topic with full form in the previous part. After that, a bookmark point of data, information, primary memory, RAM, ROM, secondary memory. So you all learn this important topic. Then your book gives the refresh box. That means what you learn from that chapter, you can see it in short time. Got it? So firstly we come to from page number 1. In the next part we will discuss about the chapter 2. We will start the chapter 2. So in this, when you see the video, you complete your question answer and ask your doubt in the comment section. If any, suppose you have a problem like that. Page number 10, question number 3. So you write in the comment box page number, question number 3, page number 3. You tell me what your answer. Then I have said that you are right or you are wrong. So they are very easy question like differentiate between RAM and ROM. What is the use of secondary storage device? These all questions you see in the inside question, and also you see the previous part. Like the question differentiate between RAM and ROM. This is also the inside question, and also it given on page number 8, table 1.3. Got it? So come through the book. We recall that in the first page you see about the cloud storage device. If you not able to understand what type of things, you come ask in comment section, and also see the part 1 video of this chapter. Okay, then measuring memory, that means byte converted into bit, kilobyte, okay, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. So this you can see table 1.2. Then types of memory, primary and secondary. About the primary memory, RAM and ROM, secondary memory, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card. Okay, so this is the brief introduction about what you have revised, what you have seen in this chapter. You see that. Okay, and after that your chapter is completed. Got it? So I requested to all students, you done, my dear student, you done only 2 or 3 things. Then you have very easy, can you easily handle your chapters, what the chapters given. Okay, the first thing, see the video very careful. Second thing, read the book throughout. Not miss any type of word or any type of sentence. If you have doubt, then write your doubt in the comment section. Then complete your exercise question answer. This is the 3 steps in by which you become a genius. Got it? So I hope you all understand about that, and after that you complete this chapter. In the next part we will meet chapter 2 part 1. So in this part, when you see the video, clear your doubts. I repeat myself, this is the last video of this chapter. So I hope all you understand about, and also read the refresh point and learn it. Okay, and also you write this point in your copy after learn. Got it? So thank you, student. We will meet in the next part with new chapter. Thank you.